harder now. You may have heard that just then, hitting the windows. It's really coming down here at 50 cents.
Yeah, we're getting big hail here too. The weather needs to give us a break.
So far, the wind hasn't been too bad here. We're getting heavy rain.
Okay, Michael King Rogers from Penn Square Mall. We've got 2 inches. We can hear it here.
Look at it. There's leaves everywhere.
Hammering the K4 Studios now. Absolutely hammering the K4 Studios. 2-inch hail here. It sounds like we are under attack. Big hail, big hail. It sounds like it's going to baseball here. We are just getting hammered.
Look at that one. It's giant.
Jim Gardner.
Look, go get that one.
Major severe storm, major hail, and it sounds like that we are under attack here at K4 with massive hail. It sounds like it's likely going to baseball. Take a look. Bring in some hail here, Troy.
Look at that.
This is not good. We are just getting hammered. Mike King Rogers there from KTOK and Penn Square Mall.
Look at the tree.
There. Baseball hail here at K4 Studios.
Look at that tree.
Oh my gosh, baby.
Under attack here. No doubt there is going to be a tremendous amount of hail damage. You're looking at a live picture from Jim Gardner and Chopper 4. That's the Capitol. You see the hail there to the left of his screen. You folks, my word. My word. It is a war of huge hail here at K4. It is massive hail. I've never heard anything like this here at the K4 Studios. Not this big and not this heavy.
Here it cracks again.
Oh my gosh. Troy came out to gravity field, but it was larger than this. Here's golf ball right here. My gosh. Midwest City, downtown Oklahoma City.
Hey, look at that hail on our roof. God damn it, I can't believe it's fucking rough.
It's just absolutely huge. This is going to be multi-millions of dollars in hail. Very damaging hailstorm. One of the most damaging perhaps we've ever seen. And that includes some of these big tornado outbreaks. Gosh, this is from Travis Shutter.